The Chengdu J-10 Vigorous Dragon is a medium-weight, single-engine, multi-role combat aircraft capable of all-weather operations, configured with a delta wing and canard design. Hi everyone. Here is the Aerospace Science Channel.
With fly-by-wire flight controls, and produced by the Chengdu Aircraft Corporation for the People's Liberation Army Air Force, Pakistan Air Force and People's Liberation Army Naval Air Force. It was the first Chinese aircraft program to incorporate modern development and acquisition processes. The J-10 represented a higher level of complexity than earlier generations of Chinese aircraft. Development and modernization of China's aviation industry occurred alongside the J-10. The program was an early Chinese user of digital design, modeling, and testing, including computer-aided design and computational fluid dynamics.
Please like the video. The J-10 remain an agile, versatile and inexpensive multi-role fighter designed from the outset to incorporate high-tech avionics systems and guided weapons. Though not a cutting-edge stealth aircraft, it marked an important milestone in China's military modernization. The cockpit has 3 liquid crystal multifunction displays along with a Chinese-developed holographic head-up display, all of which are fully compatible with a domestic Chinese advanced helmet-mounted sight. According to Chengdu Aircraft Industry Corporation officials, the J-10 uses a multi-mode fire control radar designed in China. The radar has a mechanically scanned planar array antenna and is capable of tracking 10 targets. Of the 10 targets tracked, 2 can be engaged simultaneously with semi-active radar homing missiles, or 4 can be engaged with active radar homing missiles. The J-10 is powered by a single turbofan. The J-10 entered production with the Russian Salyut AL-31FN. The initial version generated a maximum static thrust of 123 kN. In December 2013, Salyut reported it was testing an upgraded AL-31FN Series 3 for China with 250 hours more life and 1,000 kg force more thrust. The Series 3 would be equipped on the improved J-10B. The aircraft's internal armament consists of a Gryazev Shipunov GSH-23 twin-barrel cannon, located underneath the port side of the intake. The J-10, Vigorous Dragon, is a mainstay of China's effort to modernize its large fleet of single-engine jet fighters, with 350 already in service. An agile tactical fighter similar to the ubiquitous F-16 Fighting Falcon, the Vigorous Dragon was the first domestic Chinese design roughly on par with Western and Russian fourth-generation fighters.
The J-10 was the first Chinese aircraft to make major use of computer-aided design for its structural design, allowing the detailed design to be completed in 1994.
A growing array of military combat systems that incorporate commercially available subsystems and components include avionics equipment, microelectronics, new materials, information technologies, and computer-aided manufacturing (CAM) processes. The development of the FC-1, JF-17, J-10 fighter by Chengdu Aircraft Corporation (CAC) is an example of design and project management innovation that has resulted from the growing impact of commercial practices on the defense industry. CAC was able to shorten the time period for the design and research of the fighter by as much as 50% in some areas through the use of CAM design and manufacturing processes that were developed in the 863 Julius Science and Technology Development Program. Chengdu Aircraft Design Institute's CADI proposal was a Saab 37 Viggen-like design based on its cancelled J-9. CADI's proposal was selected in February 1984. The following month, CADI and Chengdu Fighter Factory were formally directed to develop and manufacture the aircraft, respectively. Song Wenkong became chief designer. The first aircraft were delivered to the 13th Test Regiment on the 23rd of February 2003. The aircraft was declared operational in December of the same year, after 18 years in development. The J-10C entered combat service in April 2018. The structure of the aircraft was based on a tail-less delta wing, 4 planes and a swept-back vertical tail. There are 2 fixed, outwardly canted ventral fins near the tail. The size and design of the J-10 are very similar to that of the Israeli aircraft industry's Levi fighter aircraft, which itself is similar to and derived technology from the USA F-16 aircraft. Chengdu J-10 is one of China's multi-role fighter aircraft. The latest variant is the J-10C, which is a single-seat fighter and appears similar to the B variant. Its airframe uses increased amount of composite materials to reduce radar cross-section profile. J-10 is capable of carrying internally mounted Type 23-3 twin-barrel 23mm cannon. There are 11 external store stations for the aircraft, and these are for carrying weapons. The aircraft can carry PL-8IR homing short-range air-to-air missiles, PL-12 active radar homing medium-range air-to-air missile, 70 to 10 km range, and the PL-15 active radar homing long-range air-to-air missile that are beyond 200 km. The J-10 carries YJ-83K anti-ship missile, KD-88 air-launched cruise missile, YJ-91 anti-radiation missile, 250 kg laser-guided bombs, 250 kg low-drag general-purpose bombs and 90 mm unguided rocket pods. Thank you for watching this video.